Hello, this is Inequalities and Modulus lesson 1.1. In this I will discuss questions on the range. We have to calculate range from where to where x will lies. We will discuss from question number 1 to question number n. Question number 1 is x minus 3 is greater than 0. For all questions in this lesson, I will find the range of x from where to where x lies, or you can say that question can come solve for x, where to where, again the same thing. X minus 3 is greater than 0. Add 3 both sides. Add or subtract inequality does not change. Can I say this x will be greater than 3? Greater than 3 means x can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. So we will say that x belongs to 3 to infinity. 3 will not include it. Small bracket both sides. This is question number 1. Question number 2, that is the final answer. Question number 2 is x plus 4 is less than equals to 0. Again, subtract 4 both sides. Adding or subtracting a same number does not change the sign of inequality. It will remain the same. X would be less than equals to minus 4. It means that x can be minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 up to minus infinity. We will say that x belongs to minus infinity to minus 4. Minus 4 will also be included. That is your final answer. Question number 3 is 5x minus 3 is less than 3x plus 1. Again, first subtract 3x both sides. 5x minus 3 minus 3x, 3x plus 1 minus 3x. Again, subtracting or adding the same number does not change the sign of inequality. This will become 2x minus 3 less than 1. 3x and 3x will get cancelled out. Again, add 3 both sides. 2x minus 3 plus 3, 1 plus 3. No change in sign of inequality as we are adding the same number. This will be, can I say 2x would be less than 4. Divide by a positive number. Divide both sides by 2. You will get x. Divide both sides by 2. You are dividing by a positive number. Sign of inequality will not change. So x will be less than 2. How will you represent? X belongs to minus infinity to 2. Less than 2 means 2, 1.9. Less than 2 will not be included. 1.9, 1.99, 0, minus 1, minus 3 up to minus infinity. That will be your final answer. Question 4 is 3x minus 4 by 2 greater than equals to x plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Now you should pause the video, try to solve yourself, then look at the way I have solved. Again, you have to solve for the range of x. Now first of all, this is 3x minus 4 by 2. Let me solve this. This 4 will be LCM. This will be x plus 1 minus 4 by 4. Can I say this 3x minus 4 by 2? This is greater than x minus 3 by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. Multiply the inequality by 4. Multiply the inequality by 4. If you multiply the inequality, both sides of the inequality by same positive number, the sign of inequality will not change. This will become 2 into 3x minus 4. This will be x minus 3. 4 and 4 will be get cancelled out. Can I say this is 6x minus 8, x minus 3. Subtract x both sides. 6x minus x minus 8, x minus 3. This is 5x minus 8 greater than minus 3. Add 8 both sides. 5x minus 8 plus 8. Adding or subtracting same number does not change the sign of inequality. This is 5x is greater than 5. Divide both sides by 5. both side of inequality by 5. If you divide by 5, sign of inequality will not change. This will be x is greater than equals to 1. So how will you present x belongs to greater than equals to 1? 1 will also be included 1 to infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore up to infinity. That will be your final answer. X belongs to square bracket on 1, small bracket on infinity. Question 5 is x minus 3 into x plus 2. This is greater than 0. You have to solve for the range of x. This is a bit different question that I discussed previously, 4 questions. Now in all this question you have to solve, you have to calculate, first we have to calculate the points where x minus 3 into x plus 2 equals to 0 is true. We have to find the points. Can I say at x is equals to 3, this equation will be 0, and x is equals to minus 2, this equation will also be 0. So in all such questions, first we have to find the points where x minus 3 into x plus 2 equals to 0. Then we will find for greater than equals to 0. Now make a number line. This is a point 0. X at x equals to 3. This is point 3. This is where this is 0. This equation. X equals to minus 2. Make a straight line here. Minus 2. This will be 0. Now we have 3 regions. Region number 1, region number 2, region number 3. R stands for region, area basically. Region 1, 2 and 3. Now check the points where this inequality is true. This inequality we have written. This inequality, where this inequality is true. Put any value greater than 3. Let's say I am putting 4. I am checking for 4. 4, can I say this 4 minus 3 would be how much? I am just checking. X minus 3 into x plus 2 should be greater than 0. If you put x as 4, this will be 4 minus 3, 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 into 6 is definitely greater than 0. So it means that for x 4 this is true. For all values of x greater than 3, this inequality will be satisfied or true. For example, you can put 5. You only have to check one value. I am just checking for your sake of concept clarity. X is 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 into 7, 14 is greater than 0. So for all values of x greater than 3, this inequality is true. It means that this reason satisfies the inequality. What about the second reason? Second reason you can check any number. I'm checking 0. X 0. You check x equals to 0. What will happen if you check x equals to 0? Second reason is from minus 2 to 3. You have to check any number. Let's check 0. So 0 minus 3 would be minus 3 plus 2. This will not be greater than 0. This will not satisfy. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 6 is not greater than 0. This does not satisfy. So it means that 0 is not satisfying. Same way you can check any other values between minus 2 and 3. Let's say 1. X is equals to 1. So 1 minus 3 minus 2. I'm checking 1. Minus 2 into 3. Again this will not satisfy. So can I say that you put any values between minus 2 and 3. This region will not satisfy the inequality. Cross. Same way this region will satisfy. You put any values of x less than minus 2. If you put x as, let's say, minus 3. If you put x as minus 3, what will happen? This is minus 3. This will become minus 6. Minus 3 minus 3, this will become minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 3 plus 2. This will become minus 1. Is this greater than 0? Yes. Minus 6 into minus 1. 6 greater than 0. So all numbers less than minus 2 will satisfy this inequality. All number less than minus 2 will satisfy the inequality. This inequality x minus 3 into x plus 2 greater than 0. So which reason satisfies the inequality? Either x greater than 3 or x less than minus 2. 3 will not be included because we don't need equals to 0. We need greater than 0. So at 3 the inequality is equals to 0. We will not take and x minus 2 inequality equals to 0. So we will take that. What will be our final answer? X can be greater than 3 or x is less than minus 2. For all those points the inequality satisfy. The inequality x minus 3 into x plus 2 is greater than 0. Whenever x is greater than 3 or x is less than minus 2, that we have proved from the graph. So what will be my answer? My answer would be x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2. It means all values less than minus 2. Union, I have to also include 3 to infinity. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. That will be my final answer. That will be the range of x. So how we have found, let me just briefly revise you. First, in all such question you need to find where the equation is 0. First make it equal to 0, find the point. I found the point as minus 2 and 3. Make 3 regions and then check which regions satisfy. Only check one value in the one region. If one value satisfy, all value will satisfy. I will discuss one more question in able to make your concept more clear. Question 6 I am discussing so that your concept must be clear. X plus 5 into x minus 2, this is less than equals to 0. Now first step is that we will make this as equation and we will find where this equation will become 0. Can I say that this will give me x is equals to minus 5, because if you put x minus 5 this will become 0, or x is equals to 2. These 2 points I am getting where this equation is 0. Now we'll draw the number line. This is 0, x minus 5, this is minus 5. Draw the vertical line minus 5 and 2 will be here 2. Now we have 3 regions. Region number 1 which is less than minus 5. Region number 2, this is region number 2 from minus 5 to 2. This is region number 3. Region number 3 include all values greater than 2. Now what you have to do with check just one value. Let's say I am checking 3. Does 3 satisfy the inequality? You will get 3 plus 5. You can see that here. If you put x plus 5 into x minus 2, this should be less than equals to 0. Equal to 0 also included. I am checking x3. Once you put x is equals to 3, what you will get? 8, 3 plus 5, 8, 3 minus 2, 1. 8 into 1 less than equals to 0. Does it satisfy? No. 9, 8 into 1, 8 is not less than equals to 0. So it means that check only one value. If 3 does not satisfy, it means that all values greater than 2 will not satisfy. This region will not satisfy. You have to just check only one value. Check one value between 5 and 2. I am checking 0, easiest. X 0, 0 we can 0 plus 5, 5. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Is this less than equals to 0? Yes, this region satisfy. Because minus 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. This is less than equals to 0. So this region will satisfy. Just have to check one value. If one value satisfy, all values satisfy. If one value does not satisfy, all value does not satisfy. What about this? Less than region number 1, less than or equals to minus 5. You put, let's say, minus 6. Minus 6 I am checking. Minus 6. Minus 6 will give me minus 6 plus 5 minus 1. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. Is this less than equals to 0? No. Because minus 1 into minus 8, this will become positive 8. Which is not less than equals to 0. So this will not satisfy. This region will not satisfy. Only one value I need to check. So what is my answer? My answer is that x lies between, the range of x will become x lies between, x belongs to minus 5 to 2. Here the square bracket will come because we have equal to 0, less than equals to 0. Inequality can be equals to 0. Because at x minus 5 and 2, this will be equals to 0. So I have to include I have to take the square bracket. So that will be a final answer. That was all about inequalities and modulus lesson 1.1. I have discussed in this the questions on the range of variable. Thank you.